Today I'm going to be showing you how to pair edges on the 4x4. So first you want to make sure that the two pieces that you want to pair up are on one face. So I see that there's a white and green piece right here, and now I just have to look for the other one and make sure that it's on the same layer, just like this. Now as you can see, I have two pieces on the same layer. Now you could have two cases with this. The first one is like this when both of the edge pieces are across from each other. And the next case is when the two pieces that you want to pair are diagonal from each other. So when you have your pieces across from each other, this is what you do to pair them up. Move this piece to the back like this, and then move it back to the front like this, and then replace it with an unsolved pair. And now finally put the centers back together like that. And if you look on the top layer, you should find your pair solved. And on the other case, when you have your pieces like this, diagonal from each other, it's really simple. All you have to do is move this piece into the other piece, just like this. And then you replace this pair with an unsolved pair, and then move the centers back together. Now that should get you a solved pair. But you're not done yet. So go ahead and solve the whole cube and try to solve all the edges. Now you might be able to, but you could get parity. This right here is parity. It might look normal at first glance, but then you realize there's no other unsolved pieces on the cube that you can replace it with. So that's why you're gonna have to learn a simple algorithm. So you have to hold it the same way as before, and you just have to do this really easy algorithm. So move the bottom two layers to the right hand side up, front inverse, then do a U, then do R prime, and do a F, and then put the centers back together like this. And now the pairs are solved, and you can solve it like normal. But that's for another video, so if you liked the video, make sure to give it a like and consider subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one.